a resourceful little bird with an unusual diet. Fleas, ticks, and even dandruff are food, as far as they are concerned. The oxpecker gets a good meal, and the host is cleaned in those places it could never reach for itself. Both parties benefit. Each bird, every day, collects hundreds of ticks and thousands of insect larvae. But some oxpeckers go for rather riskier meals. Hippopotamus are highly territorial and very aggressive. So oxpeckers tackling them must always be on their guard. But there's much to be gained. Blood is the most nutritious meal of all. An endless supply of food, whatever the conditions.
He's drilled 1,000 holes into this dead oak tree, and in each hole he jams a nut. His head whacks into the nuts with so much force it would knock a human unconscious. This job's perfect for a bird with obsessive-compulsive tendencies. A hungry squirrel spots the unattended tree full of nuts. It's just too tempting. But risking retaliation from a beak that can jackhammer solid wood is a bad idea if you don't have a thick skin. And if your skull's so thick you haven't learned your lesson the first time, the woodpecker's happy to teach the lesson again and again until you do.